So, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Hello, how are you? Good day, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am, I am fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you? How is your journey going on? We are meeting first time now.
Yes, ma'am. In one-to-one session, I think it's a very
Yeah.
first time, but I just interact with you in a group meeting.
Yeah, when I did this, I took webinar, na?
Yes,
Like two months ago, I took, I think, when you joined.
one one month ago.
1 month ago. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So please let me introduce yourself first. Uh, as you know that my name is Monica and I am a teacher by profession and I'm doing nowadays I have settled in my own private coaching center and I am tired up a lot, extremely tired up nowadays and I haven't take a session that nowadays on online or my YouTube channel for and
Okay.
yes. So this is my goodness that this is my dream also that I have owned my coaching and started my coaching center one day. So I have started this and yeah, my journey is going on smoothly and I hope this journey is going
Yes.
on ahead also. Just
Yes,
one
ma'am.
minute, sir. Just 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, and
Can I?
after that, I have started my own coaching center, and in 2 months ago, I started. And there are a lot of things like subject teachers also teach there, as I am an English teacher there, and I'm satisfied with that. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. So I delighted to introduce myself. So my name is Balon Singh Kushwaha. I am from Gazipur district in Uttar Pradesh, but currently I live in Sarnath in Varanasi. If I'm talking about my qualification, so I completed my B.Ed in 2024, but now I am a aspiring learner of English communication skill. And in free time, I would like to do dancing, and I just try to be a creative person. So that's all about me.
So, how have you been started your journey, learning journey on YouTube?
Ma'am, this year I just started my YouTube journey, and I just started my YouTube journey just because of to maintain my speaking practice, and I want to just continue my uh, spoken journey.
Okay, so it is good for you also. So how have you been started your YouTube channel? How long it's been?
Ma'am, I think it's been uh, 4 months, I guess. This year, I just create my own YouTube channel where I upload conversational video.
So what
Yes,
kind
ma'am.
of things you are facing in your learning journey? Let me discuss something with me.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, first I just, ma'am, facing with, ma'am, co-learner. I just try to find out a serious co-learner who is really wanted to speak this language. Because in the beginning, I just used for my speaking practice Peer app. There I speak so many co-learner. but there I felt one thing, that most of the learner is not so much curious and not so much ambitious to learn this language. They just come and just for fun. But I'm serious and I'm just trying to find some serious co-learner. Then I just figured it out in YouTube itself. There are you know co-learner who also a YouTuber and make conversational video. Then I just try to message them on Gmail, and I just get the opportunity. And
Yeah, yeah.
right now I'm just improving my language.
In the beginning, I also mailed a lot of mail in a one day. At least I have to go through 10 mails. After that, one or two reply has come accordingly. So after that, I am able to take my sessions smoothly with that co-learners. And this is the journey. What's your name? Please tell me your name. I forgot.
Balwant.
Balwant. Okay, Balwant ji. When I started my journey, so I faced a lot of things like small things or obstacles that you can say na, like fumbleness. Like when I go when I went to go through like a conversation with the co-learner, so sometime I becomes my mind blank. Okay, and I have no thoughts to reproduce myself and my like कह सकते हैं we can say like I couldn't able to express my thought properly at that time. 6 months ago, I started my channel. So this kind of small things I faced. So are you facing this kind of things, fumbleness or not creating your thoughts or express your thoughts in front of the others, like go blank sometime? You face something like this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to share my first experience in video session. I think in last January, I just heard the name of English Yari, and I just take a free trial session. That time I just face camera, and I just talk with educator. That time I too much stuck. I'm not able to articulate any sentence. I'm not able to express any thought. I understand properly,
Yeah,
but when
articulation
it's
is
come
very,
to...
very important in conversation things because if we do
Yes,
not
ma'am.
are able to articulate your thoughts or express your thoughts properly, so you failed many times. But it
Yes,
only
ma'am.
happens for the practice. You should
Yes, ma'am.
you be like a proper routine, proper timetable for your practice sessions, so that you can improve yourself
Ye-
day by day.
yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, from there, I just, realized one thing, that I think video session, it's a very big thing and help me a lot to improve and eradicate my, fear to talk to someone. And yeah, ma'am, and I can see what is the change between audio call and video sessions.
It's been 6 months ago. I also took 8 or 9 sessions with English Yari, and my experience was good at that time. And I fumbled sometime. I have no good thoughts to create myself or to express myself in front of the English Yari tutors. So that that was my also minus point. But later I felt that why not I create myself with small videos. I create my own voice. Daily sessions with co-learners so that we can enhance gradually, not so like now rapidly. There is no rapid change in our life, in everybody's life, we can say. It's take
Yes, ma'am.
times. This kind of things takes times. If you start a business, for example, if you start any business, grocery business, if I want to like take one example, a grocery or any library, if you open a library, so it takes times to establish. People
Yes, ma'am.
gradually knows your library and where your library situated. People know, students know, come across your libraries and your your template, you have printed out so many template and you distributed like now among the students in college and school. So every business takes time. So as usual, likewise, conversation or about spoken also takes time. If we practice regularly, so we can improve enhance our English language uh, so far.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I'm so curious to know that you just started your offline coaching. So, ma'am, from where you just get inspired to, started your offline coaching. And ma'am, this coaching is dedicated for, English communication skill or for academic also.
Actually, Balvanshi, this actually my offline coaching is dedicated to academics, totally academics.
Okay, ma'am.
12th, actually like 5th up to 12th standard students are there, which
Okay.
I teach English only, literature and language both. There is no communication. Students discuss for each other. I usually takes one topic daily for communication. I also
Okay.
working on that skill, but it takes time. Actually, there is only 1.5 month only. It is completed for opening my coaching, so it takes time. It takes actually 6 months more time to establish properly. And I also would like to share with you that I also try to establish my communication things. I have some. Like tools or things also, like my laptop and projector also is there. So many things are there to managing. I have to manage so many things. So after 6 months, it is completed for projector and all these things. So I also in future I would be able to my like spoken classes also, but it takes time. But now, right
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
I am focusing my academics also, and students, academics students come and I teach them English language and literature by whiteboard and everything. I will explain them on marker like grammar things. You heard about the simple, complex, compound sentences.
Yes, yes, yes.
All these things like indirect narration, passive voice, so many things are
Reverse.
there. Story making, composition, comprehensions. Like board
Yes, ma'am.
students, 10th and 12th student board students come there and they nicely they are preparing for their board examination properly under our good faculty. I have good faculty also. Other subject teachers also teach there. Yeah, not mine or
Okay.
other subject teachers also. But if I talk about like spoken course, so it takes time little bit. After 6 months, it is growing nicely.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And ma'am, ma'am, I think it's very good thing about you that you have a opportunity and you have a place that you can create your spoken environment. And in academic, you can also inculcate this habit that you are able to speak and you are able to express your thought in English. Because ma'am,
You follow my
in
YouTube
our
channel? You follow my YouTube channel? You
yes, ma'am.
subscribe?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can see in my YouTube channel, there are so many videos, 3 or 4 videos I have uploaded my coaching related. And
Okay.
if whenever I takes times, I always upload my coaching videos. There are so many small topics like tenses, grammar related stuff. So many things are there.
Okay. I
Yes.
think, ma'am, it's a very good thing, and you just continue this journey, and I hope it going very good.
Yeah, because online, if I talk about like online businesses growth is not easy task. It is a very tough. No, out of the blue, if I came across in a good faculty of mathematics teacher, and they called me, ma'am, if you want to collaborate with us, so I want to. There is a like requirement of an English teacher. So I said yes, I agree with that proposal, and I accepted his proposal, and I started to teach English in their faculty. So there is a good environment also. Many students are there, but now vacations has been going on like 2 month vacations, and after in the month of July, it is filled with a lot of students, and many students are will come in the month of July. So it is going on smoothly. And offline, if I talk about offline business is growing faster than the online, because there are so many differences we can see offline things or online things. Online, actually, you have a good setup, and it is not easy because uh, you have invested a lot by financially also. Projector also is there. There are so many things are there, like well furnished room is also there. So offline, if I talk about offline things, so it is little bit like manageable or good also, and slowly and gradually it increases day by day. So this is the differences of
Yes,
online or offline business. So I would like
yes,
to
ma'am.
go through. I thought one day I would like to go through my offline coaching side by side. I am also trying to best upload my videos on my YouTube, so that my YouTube channel is not like labs properly, and it is growing slowly and gradually, not so fast. So I thought that. So this kind of thought came in my mind, and it is true that if you are like dedicated to do something good, so God
Yes,
always
ma'am.
with you. God always with you with good things. What would you say?
So yes, ma'am, I agree with your point because I think whatever we are doing in a right way, I think it's a God grace, and we are so blessed that we are doing in such a great way. So ma'am, I also believe in God and universe.
So at present, what do you do for enhancing your English? And if you are you doing anything else for spoken, or only co-learners practice on YouTube?
Yes, ma'am, I just continue with my co-learner practice. And I also inculcate a habit like shadowing and pencil technique that help me in my spoken and remember my muscle memory. So, ma'am, can I know uh, today's generation is, ma'am, learning so fast. So, in your point of view, I think it's good to, be aware in new technology and new era.
Actually, nowadays I feel that coming generation is very faster and minded. They are. They are learning so far, fastly actually, because their education is related to CBSE board. First of all, I would like to say, and we are 90s generation, and we are from Hindi medium. So this is the biggest point in our education also. You, me, and others also from UP board, like Hindi medium. No? So I would share with you that if coming generation become like they have good exposure in technology in a technical field also, they get good jobs according to their desires or dreams because of their education. It only depends on their communication skills firstly, and their education. These are two things matters a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Matters a lot because they have good communication command firstly, and secondly they have good education also. CBSE, ICSE board are there, not the MP board or UP board or any state other. If you have your full education state board accordingly, like my education is from UP board, and this thing is also obstacles in your business or your growth also, because we have to struggle a lot, like helping work, sentence structure. We are facing a lot of things, or like no problems. We have facing a lot of things. How can I make or frame a good sentence to enhance or impress, to make a good impression others also, co-learners also. So everybody wants to become a good or fluent speaker, because nowadays only MP board or UP board co-learners are struggling a lot with this spoken.
Yes, yes, ma'am,
I
yes, ma'am.
literally
I,
tell you that it is so difficult. If you are not dedicated this thing or while learning this language, so you are doing nothing.
yes, ma'am.
You have to come out from your comfort zone. Am I
Yes,
right or no or
yes,
wrong?
ma'am.
Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you are
Uh,
not coming out from your comfort zone, you cannot do anything. You cannot learn
yes,
even English properly, because
yes, ma'am.
your everything, every work, like your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, and you also like to napping, afternoon napping also, 2 hours napping you have to take. But what time for practice? What
Yes,
time
ma'am.
you take out some time for your practice also?
Yes, ma'am. So,
Anyhow you can
so
take
ma'am,
out 2 hours, 3 hours at
yes,
least from your practice. Anyhow, like
yes,
making a small video shorts, this kind of
yes,
things helps you a lot for fluent on this language, over this language. So I would
yes,
like to
ma'am.
say that
So,
coming generation is very sharp minded. Their English is, they are not need to any co-learner or anything else, because they have good tools and they have a good knowledge over there. They have no good atmosphere, but their language, since a childhood they are learning in school also, their teachers also speak in English, so they are very fluent. They know they
yes,
are no need to any kind of co-learners or any atmosphere. No, they are very
yes,
good
ma'am.
and over this language. I would say
Yes, ma'am.
only Hindi medium co-learners are struggling nowadays.
Yes, ma'am. I agree with your point. And ma'am, I want to know that uh, if you want to describe any demerit of today's generation, so what would be that?
Demerits. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so I would like to say that the one of the demerits is that they becomes very faster than 90s generation, and they know that people, they get underestimate others also, because they thought that they are very good over this language. We speak in English very well, and some people who are standing in front of a good fluent speaker, like for example me and you. I am a good, no, but you are good, but at sometime you fumble or I am also fumble. One third party is very good, very fluent, so we feel that some topple down somewhere we feel that we are not good at this language. So what should we do? We have to just third person also, like they suggest us, they suggest many things, small tips for conversationing or for communication, improve our communication skill, if he or she is very good at this language, so they suggest also. There is no any kind of biggest demerit, I would say, because they have good education, so they are very
Yes,
mean or
ma'am.
proud of themselves so sometimes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think today's generation, I think get so many advantage like good education, good environment, good thing to eat, everything he has. But ma'am, when it comes to, ma'am, in today's world, so I think there are so many distraction also for this generation.
Which kind
And
of distractions? distraction you talk about, Raj?
Ma'am, first thing is social media, and with the help of social media, we just miss the opportunity to enjoy our life. We just we are not ready to appreciate our small thing in our life. We just live in a modern area where just eat anything. We just do anything, but we are not
But
aware. And if we
Balwant Singh, I would like to share one thing that if we are like suppose I am also a beginner and you are also a beginner, nobody can appreciate the beginner. Why? This is the biggest biggest issue of our learners life. We have to encourage to each other. If you are a YouTuber, I am also YouTuber, you just go on my YouTube channel, you just find out some videos, you should like and comment also, so it gets motivate us to do something new. They
yes,
are
ma'am.
the people are not collaborate to each other. They are working, they are progressing day by day, but they are still jealous to each other. They don't want to see other person to progress. They are only they are finding their ways, his ways or her ways to go in the progress. But we have to, I would say, we have to like cooperate to each other. We should like comments and share our things. Good things always should be shared by according to me. Good things
Yes,
always be
ma'am.
shared, because this is the social media. There are so many vulgar things also. We are scrolling 2 hours like bad videos, like shameful videos we are scrolling, and there are a lot of likes and lot of comments also. I can see on like Facebook, Instagram. It these two social media are filled with shameful things, vulgar things. It is not getting any kind of opportunity also. But in the education sector, if I talk about everybody is a miser. Everybody is a very like a close-fisted person. They are not evil, even single person. If he is a beginner, if you are a beginner, if I support you, if I motivates you, so you think that like I should be do enhance our things more and more. I have to present social media in front of social media good or better than yesterday's video. You should you just will try more improving yourself or your voice, your videos or your short videos also, like. So beginner, there are like mean and proud kind of environment between co-learners also. I would say they are not don't want to progress to other person also. They are very miserly.
Yes,
So it is the
yes,
biggest like na minus point also. If we are if we do progress day by day, so only one like and one comment is very important, and it motivates us a lot in the in our working field also. So whenever I go any kind of good video, educational video, I always like the video or always comment. Whether it is
yes,
Instagram, whether it is my channel or others' channel also, I always support the people. Because we are the human being. If we not motivate to each other, we are nothing. We are not doing nothing on the online platform. It depends on person to person. Only depends on.
yes,
If I talk
yes,
about
ma'am.
like offline things are different than the online. And online, if we talk about like online business, so we have to collaborate, we have to each other uh, person to
So,
person.
ma'am, do you feel any competition in this uh, YouTube field?
Yeah, there are a lot of competition also, because in if I talk about like YouTubers, there are a lot of YouTubers nowadays.
Yes.
Everybody is chasing their goals.
And ma'am, I think yeah, there are so much competition in this communication skill, but I think everyone person has a different journey and different struggle to this grow this our channel. So I think. in my point of view, there is not too much competition because if someone is speaking is in his way, so I think this is their way to speak to someone. If I'm speaking to someone else, so this is my way to speak to someone. So I think every person has a different, way to speak to someone.
Yeah, everybody, every and each person have their own prospector to express
Yes,
or
ma'am.
articulate their thoughts accordingly,
Thoughts.
I would say. And
Yes,
I
ma'am.
appreciate everybody's thought. In education sector, if you are good, if you are also an educator, I am also educator, and we also support to you. I support your videos, you support my videos. So like small things or small steps always becomes a big success one day, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, Balwant, there are only 2 minutes are left for wrapping up the session. We have to wrap up the session now, and I'm very happy that you, in a short period of time, we connected to each other, and I enjoyed a lot. What about you? Tell me something about this session.
Yes, ma'am. I think its session is, it's very grateful for me, and as well as I learned so many things, and I just, try to follow these things. And ma'am, I'm just waiting for a very long time just to talk with you, and today I have a conversation with you, so I'm so happy, and I, I would like to have a conversation with another topic in another session.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Whenever we get time, we take another session also for the specific topic or so.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
And
much
and
being here.
yes, ma'am. And
Thank
I also have so many questions, but I think today's session is
Yeah,
going
there is
in dead. But
lackness of time, so I
yes,
have to
ma'am.
wrap up the session now. We
Okay, ma'am.
meet in a other date. Whenever you get time,
Sure.
just message me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So thank you so
Okay,
much.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you.